That was the next super awkward thing you were going to do.
Are you kidding me right now? She's learned how to open up her door and just bang it all day long.
Hey friend, Vanessa. Hi, I'm Ross. Good to meet you.
She's probably pissed that all those packages that I have aren't for her. She's like, woman, you get too much packages.
Hey, friend, we're gonna get food tonight, okay? You're invited on. It's our date, but you guys are both invited too.
I can't believe she knows how to open up her door. I'm gonna have to put little locks on it now.
I don't think so. That was the first thing Vanessa said.
If she gets out of that cage, my bangles are gonna eat her.
I'm glad you're not dead. Alright, chat. You're heading on seeing women on the beach.
Actually, the other day I was gonna clip her feathers. That's what I should do. That way if she gets out, she won't be able to fly anywhere. And her feathers will grow back in 6 months anyway. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Causing all kinds of ruckus today. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yeah, you don't want to get out of your cage. You're lucky my bangles are in their cat condo right now, because if they saw you trying to do that, you'd be kitty food. Kitty food. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. See, now that I got the camera on you, you're not talking. But you'll cause all kinds of ruckus, won't you?
You're gonna have to stay with us. We're kidnapping you the rest of the day. I got sunscreen, dude. You gotta get a hat.
I can't believe she...
Dude's out here. Make sure it's good. Make sure you like it.
She was in my bedroom earlier, and all I heard was banging. I couldn't figure out what the hell was going on in there. And that's what she was doing.
What's your name?
It would have been okay if she got out in there because my door is closed. You don't want to do that out here in the living room. Okay, enough of that.